Hello students, welcome to PraescioEdu YouTube channel. This is scholarship exam standard 5th online class, subject intelligence test, and the topic is analogy figures. So this is practice test IT016 solutions. So in this video we are going to see the problems and their keys. Okay, so question number 1 to 15 common directions is there. In the following questions, the first and the second figure have some specific relationship between them. The same relationship exists between the third and the fourth figure, or we can say the third and the fourth term. Find out the figure to replace the question mark. So question number 1 is there. So this figure is changing with their we can say the left to the right positions, or right to the left positions, or we can say at the center it's revolving with a 180 degree. Okay, at the center it's revolving, it's a 90 degree. Okay, so with the same these things, option number 2, this will comes. Okay, means this opening will comes in a this direction, and this opening will comes this direction, so this will be rotating after this one, so like this one. Now question number 2, this is a somewhat be in a mirror image. Okay, if you keep the mirror here, so you will get the same figure. So same mirror we have to put it here also, so you will get the arrow with the upper direction and this half circle also at the bottom, and this arrow will be the left and right directions will change because of this mirror, so this will be and this small circle, and this is given in option number 2. Now question number 3. So these directions is turning with 90 and then 45 degree, means 135 degree. So same this arrow, or we can say this will be rotated. This is a from this one, this is the 90 degree, and this is the 45, means in this corner. So this is given in option number 2. Now here the pentagon, so one side is reduced, it becomes the square. So now from this one, so 4 sides are here, so it will reduce to the 3 sides, means option number 1, triangle should be there. Now question number 5. So here like a F shape, it's a turning. If suppose this is the center, so it's turning about the 90 degree. Okay, so this figure comes, so this will also the turning to the 90 degree with the same directions, mean anti-clockwise, so it will comes in the these directions, means in option number 1 showing the perfect. Now question number 6, circle, squares and triangle. In the next one, these triangles will comes outside, this middle circle will comes at the center, and this circle will at the middle, mean between this triangle and the squares. So same this one, means I will just mark out here, this is a middle position, so this will middle position, center position, and this outer. So outer should be the circle, so outer all I have in the circle, then center at the triangle. So this figure and this figure, and this figure have the center also, but this and after this one the square, here the square is absent, so only the square, here the rectangular shown, so square means option number 2 is correct one. Now question number 7, these are the mergings of the two circles, but the shaded is the right side, and after this one the left side is showing, but the directions of the shading is like this, and this is comes here, means this is a we can say the mirror image. So same we have to keep the mirror here also, so this will comes like this one. Okay, in this one, and then this will like this shapes, it means capsule shapes, so this is given in option number 2. Now question number 8. So this arrow is or we can say this half of the circles or something elliptic, it's rotating in a 90 degree, or we can say anti-clockwise. So after this one, this arrow is changing its positions, means it is toward the this center of this half circle. Okay, so same this will also the rotate in anti-clockwise, means like this one. Okay, and then this circle will this spot will be like this here, and this arrow toward the center of this one, and this dot will be outside, so this figure will has given in option number 3. Now here this is a mirror image, means here the Z and this opposite of the Z, means in a mirror reflections. So same n also reflecting here, but this inclined line will be like this one. Okay, so this will just look like, because we are keeping the mirror image. Okay, so this is given in option number 3. Now question number 10, these are the two half circles, and this circles is moving, this one means rotating, means with this point. Okay, so this points rotating here, and this will come like this, but it's attaching, means at the same points. Okay, so this figure comes, so same this wheel comes here and this wheel rotates here. Okay, means this is rotating and this points. Okay, so this wheels like a this shape, means option number 4 is there. Here the this line or this line and this line after rotating, these are the overlapping, because here also they are coming at the one point, so that's why this figure is come. Actually they are the like this one, but here the showing the point means overlapping, or we can say meeting at a one point or intersecting at a one point, so that's why these two lines are overlapping on with each other, so that's why we are showing the one line. So option number 4 is correct one. Now question number 11. So this figure and this figure, this is a water image of this one. If you make here the water images or keeping the water here, this figure comes. So for this one same, the water image we have to find out. So this line is in downward, so it will comes in upward, means this option and these options, and these two arrows are having somewhat be distance. So here the different one, here the arrows are the same but the distance is very minimal. Here the distance is somewhat be same as a showing the figure. So option number 4 is correct one. Now question number 12. In these two figures, the circle and triangles means all are rotating, or we can say replacing their positions in a clockwise direction. So triangle wheels replace to the circle, square replacing to the circle, and circle replacing to the triangle. So same we will keeping the in a clockwise direction. So star replacing for the circle replacing for this positive sign, and this positive signs replacing for the star. So positive signs will be here, so here not here, so only the option number 3 is showing, and then plus sign, the plus sign should be here and this star should be at this position, means option number 3 is correct, with the circle also showing the on replacing to the star, replacing to the addition sign, so that's why option number 3 is correct one. Now question number 13. Circle and inside that is a 1, 2 and 3 lines. So with the 3 lines the triangle comes. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 lines there, and with the 5 lines pentagon shown. So option number 1 is correct. Question number 14. So this quarter of the circle with a mirror image, this quarter of the circle is showing. So same we have to keep the mirror image here. So this will like this. So this image line inclined from this point. So it will looks like, and this small circle, small rectangular in this corner. So it will in a mirror it will looks like this one, and this is given in option number 2. Option number 4 have some this line, so that's why this is incorrect one. So option number 2 is a correct one. Now question number 15. This position and this position, if you make the something mirror image, but the hand position are the different, but these positions now again here but with a mirror image. So this figure will comes here but with a mirror image. So this figure having the mirror image means in option number 3. So that's why option number 3 for the question number 15 is correct. Thank you.